In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my super tender steamed cod with wok fried onions. This recipe is inspired by my trip to Shanghai, where I got to try the awesome opium fish head at Old Jessie restaurant. My version has tender cod drenched in an unctuous sauce and finished with fresh spring onions. Let's get woking. So I've got here some beautiful cod loins. First thing I want to do is to season this with a pinch of cracked sea salt and a pinch of ground white pepper. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of Shaoxing rice wine, or you could use dry sherry. Next, I've got here a tablespoon of water. I'm going to add it to a tablespoon of corn flour. Give this a good mix and then just gently pour it over the fish fillets. And this is going to protect the juices of the cod when it cooks in the steamer. And that's it, that's ready for my steamer. So I've got here a wok, half filled with water with a steamer rack inside. Just going to pop that on like so, and then lid on. I'm going to steam that for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-high heat. So the cod has had 8 minutes already, and I can see it's turned this beautiful opaque white. And I'm just going to let it rest while I make my sauce. So wok on, and I want to heat the wok to a medium to high heat. And I've got here some rapeseed oil. So while the oil heats up, I'm going to get on with the rest of my sauce. So I've got here some fresh chilies, grated ginger. My oil is bubbling away. I've got here some spring onion, just finely chopped. Gently put them into the oil. A good stir, and that smells so good. So I'm not going to over fry the spring onions. I'm going to take that off the heat and then just pour the oil into the ginger. So just give that a good mix, and the smell of those onions smells so good. Now I've got my beautiful cod here. As you can see, there's a lot of cooking juices, and I just want to collect some of that and just pour it into the oil. So all that deliciousness is going right into the sauce. And just give this a good mix until everything's mixed well. Next, I'm going to add Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce, and this is going to impart a delicious sweetness to the dish. And now for a fresh hit of deep savouriness or saltiness, I'm going to add Kum Kee's Double Deluxe soy sauce, and this is really going to inject a nice saltiness. Give this a good stir, and you can see the sauces coming together beautifully. All that's left to do is to pour this delicious sauce all over the fish. Look at that, yummy, delicious. And I've also got here some spring onion curls just for a fresh garnish. And this is gonna go beautifully with some steamed rice and some pak choy. And that's my steamed cod with wok fried onions and oyster sauce. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.